Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the most important topic of organic synthesis, that is protection and deprotection of functional groups. As we know that the most of organic molecule contain more than one functional groups. They may be same or different. Like here I have given one example. In this molecule, that is ethyl acetoacetate compound, there are two functional groups, that is these are the one functional groups, and these are the second one functional group present in this molecule. In the given example, there are two functional groups. The first one, that is keto groups, and the second one steric carbonyl groups. The ketonic carbonyl group present as well as steric carbonyl group present. These are the two different functional group present in the ethyl acetoacetate molecules. If you have compared its reactivity of these two functional groups, the one is more reactive and another is less reactive. In these two different reactive functional group present in this given molecule, the such types of molecule reacted in presence of nucleophilic reagents. Like suppose these are the ethyl acetoacetate molecule. There are two different functional group present, that is ketonic carbonyl group and steric carbonyl groups. If this molecule reacted in presence of nucleophilic reagents, then the nucleophilic reagents always prefer the most reactive electrophilic site of these molecules. Now in this molecule there are two functional groups, and these two functional groups, one is more reactive and another is less reactive. From these molecules we have reacted such types of molecule in presence of nucleophile. Then the nucleophile reacted with the electron deficient center, that is electrophilic center present in these molecules. The reactivity of two different functional groups. Here the carbon is bonded with oxygen atom, that is two different electronegative groups. There is polar bond formation, that means formation of two poles. Here the oxygen is more electronegative, therefore the oxygen contain del negative sign, and this carbonyl carbon contain del positive signs. Here del positive, again here oxygen atom, therefore this again del negative signs. This carbonyl carbon having del positive and this oxygen having del negative signs. Now the compare the electrophilic center from these molecules. Here is one electrophilic center as well as here is one another electrophilic center, but if you have compared its reactivity, the flow of electron shifted from carbon to oxygen atom, therefore the flow of carbon to oxygen, here again flow of carbon to oxygen atoms, therefore these are the electrophilic center formation. With this electrophilic center there is one another group adjacent with this electrophilic carbon atoms, therefore these carbon atoms withdrawing electron from these groups, therefore the flow of electron from this carbon to these carbon atoms, that is shifting from this carbon to this carbon atom. Then again here is shifting of electron from this carbon to oxygen atom, therefore comparatively this electrophilic center, these are the highly electrophilic center, therefore this group is more reactive toward the nucleophile and these are the less reactive toward the nucleophilic reaction. Suppose from this reactive center, if you want to react less reactive group from this molecule in presence of nucleophile, in that case we have to need the protect more reactive group to achieve desired final product from this substrate molecule. Suppose these are the two different functional group molecules. Here if you want to react less reactive or more reactive group, in that case we have to need, first of all you can protect the more reactive functional group, and then we can react the less reactive functional group, then and then we can achieve the desired or final product of from the substrate molecules. Therefore, we have to need here to protect the more reactive groups over the less reactive group. Now we can explain here the role of protection and deprotection in organic synthesis. The first of all, without protection, and if you have protected this molecule, what types of molecule we can achieve. These are the two different way of synthesis. The first one, the without protecting functional groups. Now the example, ethyl acetoacetate, here CH3 C double bond O, CH2 C double bond O, OET, that is ethyl acetoacetate. These are the two different functional group containing molecule, substrate molecule, reacted in presence of nucleophilic reagent like pH, MgVr, Grignard reagent. Here nucleophilic addition take place on these molecules. Therefore, from this molecule, as earlier discussed here, the electrophilic centers, the ketonic carbonyl group is more reactive than esteric carbonyl group. Therefore, the nucleophilic reaction take place on the more electrophilic center, that is carbonyl carbon atom of ketonic group, and then there is formation of final product of this reaction, formation of alcohol. Here CH3 OH, here pH group of this Grignard reagent, C double bond O, OET, that is these are the product formation by without protecting of the highly reactive groups. These are the without protection of more reactive group, there is formation of this types of product from without protection of this more reactive group. For this substrate molecules having two different functional group present, in the first case, without protecting the more reactive functional group, we can achieve these are the product molecules. If we want to these types of product from these substrate molecules, here there is formation of main product on the less reactive functional groups. Therefore, the such types of molecule, such types of conversion, we have to need to protect more reactive functional group, then and then we can achieve these types of molecule. Therefore, for such types of synthesis, we have to need to protect, first of all, to protect the more reactive functional group by using protecting reagents. Here this product only possible with protection of highly reactive functional group, that is these are the protecting groups, protecting product formation. In protection and deprotection of the any organic synthesis, there is addition of two extra steps in the synthesis. That is, the first step, there is protection of the more reactive functional groups, and at the end of the synthesis we can deprotect the protected group by using different types of reagent. Therefore, in the normal synthesis there is addition of two steps. The first step, that is protection of the functional group, and deprotection of these protected groups. if you want the final product from the substrate molecule like this, that condition we have to need the protect more reactive functional groups. Then and then we can achieve these types of product molecules. Therefore, in the protection and deprotection of the molecules, for here these are the carbonyl groups, and the carbonyl group can be protected by using 1,2 diols. Here the synthesis of these molecules, tertiary alcohols, can be achieved by protecting more reactive functional groups. Therefore, in this synthesis there is increasing 2 extra steps in the reaction molecule conversion. Here the substrate CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O OET reacted in presence of protecting reagent like 1,2 glycol or diol. These are the used for the protection of carbonyl groups. Here protection take place protection of these carbonyl groups take place by using this 1,2 diol to form cyclic ketal. Here C double bond O OET formation of O cyclic ketal, that is more reactive to less reactive, and then this molecule is reacted in presence of 2 mole of Grignard reagent, that is pH Mg Br. Then there is formation of CH3 C O, here again O, CH2 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 C OH pH, here pH, and then the last step of this reaction, that is deprotection of these carbonyl groups by using acid catalyst. The protected group can be deprotected to form a final and desired product of this synthesis like CH3 C double bond O, here CH2, here OH pH pH. That is, these are the formation of final product of this reaction